Yoga for weight loss. If you want to be a best version of yourself, you must practice yoga that supports physical, mental, and spiritual development within yourself. The more active forms of yoga can be effective tool to help you lose weight. In order to lose weight, awareness should be gained through gentle, relaxing practice of yoga. Most of the experts agrees that to bring on weight reduction, yoga works in different ways. Today we are discussing some of them. Yoga and mindfulness. To develop mindfulness, the mental and spiritual aspects of yoga is required. By this, the level of awareness increases and you will be conscious about the food that affect your body, mind and spirit. A mass study shows that the person who practice yoga and develop mindfulness, they are able to resist or avoid the food that are unhealthy and affect their health. They also get connected to their body from within and able to know when they are full. Yoga is also known to be crucial for the people who are struggling to lose weight in some other ways as well. A meta-analysis from 2017 reported that mindfulness training has positive short-term benefits regarding impulsive or binge orally consuming and physical activity participation. There was no consequential effect on weight loss directly, but it's thought that weight loss is associated with longer periods of mindfulness training. Further studies are yet to be expanded on these findings. You make healthy eating choices as you are advised not to practice yoga on a full stomach. After a yoga session, you may be more liable to crave fresh, unprocessed foods. You may learn to chew each bite more exhaustively and orally consume slowly, which can lead to less consumption. Yoga and better sleep. Yoga improves the quality of an individual's sleep. The one who practices yoga consistently falls asleep more easily and has a deeper sleep. The ideal sleeping hours is 6 to 9 hours a day. Weight loss is also associated with quality sleep. An analysis on a two group of people who had different sleeping patterns shows that the ones who had ideal sleeping lost more weight than those who had restricted their sleep 5 times in a week despite of them consuming same amount of calories. Therefore, sleep loss can adversely affect in losing fat. Yoga Nidra may be a shape of guided relaxation that you simply do lying down. The involvement regularly begins with detecting the body and mindfully breathing to trigger the relaxation reaction in your body. The practice may assist you to sleep more profoundly and increase mindfulness. You will be able to sit eagerly amid Yoga Nidra, which may assist you to create weight loss goals. A diminutive 2018 study found that healthcare workers who did Yoga Nidra for 8 weeks increased their calibers of mindfulness. This mindfulness included acting with vigilance and not judging inner experiences. Their calibers of sleepiness did not vary at the follow-up. However, this score amended the longer people did the practice. Further studies are yet to be expanded on these findings. Whereas yoga isn't customarily considered an high-impact workout, there are certain sorts of yoga that are more physical than others. Active, intense styles of yoga avail you burn the foremost calories. This may offer assistance anticipate weight pickup. Ashtanga, Vinyasa and Control Yoga are illustrations of more physical sorts of yoga. Vinyasa and Control Yoga are more often than not advertised at hot yoga studios. These sorts of yoga keep you moving constantly always, which avails you to burn calories. Practicing yoga may too avail you engender muscle tone and progress your metabolism. While restorative yoga isn't a categorically physical yoga, it still makes a difference in weight loss. An analysis found that restorative yoga was prosperous in making a difference in ladies to lose weight, counting stomach fat. These revelations are concretely promising for individuals whose body weight may make more energetic shapes of yoga difficult. If you review the study of 2013, yoga is found to be more promising in weight loss, behavioral change, maintaining by burning calories, reducing stress and mindfulness. How frequently you are doing yoga to lose weight? Yoga must be practiced as often as possible in order to lose weight. You can do a more active, profound practice at least 3 to 5 times per week for at least 1 hour. On the other days, balance out your practice with a more relaxing, gentle class. Hatha, Yin and restorative yoga classes are brilliant options. If you are a beginner, start gradually and gradually build up your practice. This sanctions you to build up your strength and flexibility and obviate injuries. Do a self-practice of 20 minutes if you don't have time for full-time class. Each week, take a full day rest. Combine your yoga practice with activities such as walking, cycling, or swimming for integrated cardiovascular benefits. As a component of your routine, avoid weighing yourself directly after a yoga class. Instead, weigh yourself at the same time each day. Thank you.